Let me show you how I turn this into this. Pitch down by 5 semitones. Added some effects like a delay in parallel, a reverb and a backmask. I made multiple copies, one pitched up by 1 octave, one pitched down by 1 octave, and another one with this kind of bandpass curve. Then I merged everything into a single file and added an autopan with this kind of automation with the phase at 0, so it's basically changing the envelope of the sound, a transient shaper, a standard clip, this guitar rig preset, a soft limit for some warmth, sonic exciter for some top end. I squashed everything into a maximizer, added a parallel delay and then a parallel reverb. And this is the full beat. This loop is from the Galaxy pack by Dave and Venice from Westview, pack with 30 inspiring modern pop melodies. Go check them at Westview. See you in the next one.